In this video, I will show you how to fix App Store no internet connection on iOS. So this can happen on your iPad or your iPhone, and it basically gives this message saying that there is no internet connection. And to fix this, we need to do a couple of things, and I'm going to show you what you need to do. So first, we're going to our settings, and from here, we are going to check if our Wi-Fi is connected. And in this case, it is not connected, so please make sure that you have this on. And then if your Wi-Fi is maybe not strong enough, you can switch your Wi-Fi off and then connect to your cellular data. And if you do that, then you can check if the problem is with your Wi-Fi or your cellular. So this is something that you can do. And what you can also do is going to your storage and then check if you have sufficient storage available. And if you have not, please free up some things, because there need to be a margin of a couple of gigabytes that always need to be sufficient and available on your device. And after that, I would say restart your device by clicking on the power button and the volume up button. And after you have restarted your phone, then your App Store should work fine back again, like it will right now. So that is how you fix it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.